I went to school for this, so don't worry. I'm gonna go grab a sandwich. I'm gonna be back, all right? You just stay there, don't move.
This is how we do. We make a move and act the fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us.
All right, we'll see you in 2 weeks.